Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the news with Abby Rucker and Hannah Joyner. This is News Channel 2.2.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to News Channel 2.2. I'm Hannah Joyner.
And I am Abby Rucker. And in today's news, we will be talking about transgenic animals. A transgenic animal is one that carries a foreign gene that has been deliberately inserted into its genome. A foreign gene is constructed by using recombinant DNA methodology.
Transgenic animals can affect human life in many ways. For example, farmers have always used selective breeding to manipulate the traits that they want to see in their livestock, such as increased milk and higher growth rate. Because of transgenic animals, farmers are able to produce these traits more efficiently, quickly, and precisely.
In medicine, patients die every year for lack of replacement heart, liver, or kidney. Transgenic pigs may provide the transplant organs that are needed. Now, xenotransplantation is hindered by a pig protein that can cause donor rejection, but research is working on a way to replace the pig protein with the human one.
Also, milk-producing transgenic animals are very useful in medicine. Nutritional supplements and products such as insulin and growth hormones may soon be retrieved from the milk of transgenic cows, sheep, or goats. Research is also working on a way to make the milk through transgenesis for treatment of diseases such as PKU, hereditary emphysema, and cystic fibrosis.
Another example. Normal mice cannot be infected with poliovirus because they lack the molecule that recepts it. As a result, normal mice cannot serve as a model for studying the disease. However, transgenic mice expressing the human gene for the receptor can be infected by the poliovirus and develop characteristics of the disease in humans, and therefore able to be used in study.
Well, I'm sure you're all wondering, are transgenically mutated animals dangerous? Well, a report from the U.S. National Academy of Sciences titled Animal Biotechnology, Identifying Science-Based Concerns discusses the risk of animal biotechnology. Abby, tell us about it.
Okay. As for food safety, the report concludes that the risk of allergic reaction is very low, but it is still considered because some people could have severe reactions. Regarding xenotransplantation, recipients of genetically modified tissues or organs will be exposed to considerable risk of infectious diseases. The risk, though, is not greater than that of any other medical procedure. The area of most scientific concern is the possibility that transgenic animals could escape into the wild and mate with or compete against wild animals. Larger animals like cows and goats don't pose a huge threat in this way, but insects, fish, and mice could be very dangerous. There is also the matter of potential physical and psychological pain and distress among the transgenic animals themselves. Alterations to animals could create behavioral and physiological problems.
We now have some examples of transgenic animals. Pull them up, Bertha. Bertha, pull them up! Thank you. First, we will look at the spider goat. Quit playing around, Bertha! Thank you, Bertha. Now, the spider goat is a goat that has been genetically engineered to produce spider silk in its milk. Spider silk is a strong fiber that can be used as an industrial elastic or medical tool. Studies show that it can be used in ligament repair and can be put in the body without irritating it. Spiders, though, are unable to be farmed, whereas goats are not. You are now looking at glowfish created by Ziyonggong at the National University of Singapore. They are actually zebrafish that have had fluorescent proteins extracted from jellyfish and inserted into their DNA to make them glow green, orange, or red. They are also available to the public.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes today's news on Channel 2.2. I'm Abby Rucker.
And I'm Hannah Joyner signing off. So next time your goat squirts out a spiderweb from its udder, don't be alarmed.